All right, ladies and gents, today we're going to dive into a little bit of poetry. First lesson, first day is going to revolve around simile poems. And remember, a simile is a comparison between two things using the word like or as. Simile poems are fun to write and generally one of the nicer ones to start with. So we're going to start with those. It's very important, though, that you understand figurative language is used to create a special effect or feeling characterized by figures of speech or language that compares, right? Exaggerates or means something other than what it first appears to mean. So it's a play on things where you really have to get your reader to think and either compare things, contrast things, or something that doesn't quite seem to fit. That's what figurative language. All poetry is full of figurative language, tons and tons and tons of it. Like this, it's very descriptive. You've got literal, he lost his marbles, and figurative, he's lost his marbles. It can be a tad confusing at times. Remember, literal is something that is grounded, it definitely happens. Figurative is not something that can be taken literally. So it's something abstract. Similes, comparison between two things using the words like or as. He's as tall as a giraffe. Is someone really going to be as tall as a giraffe? Maybe a baby giraffe, but not a full grown one, right? So that's an example of figurative language. Similes are often used in poetry. We talked about that. They're used quite often. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder where you are, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So, what are two things that are being compared in this poem? Nothing in the first line, nothing in the second line, nothing in the third line. Our famous author put the simile in the last line, like a diamond in the sky. So, what is being compared with what? Well, the diamond is being compared to, look up to that first line, the star, right? Good. Here are a couple examples for you. This is describing family. My mom is like a fire. She's always warm, but sometimes she gets too hot. My brother is like a tornado. He always moves fast and spreads destruction wherever he goes. My sister is like a snowstorm. She's pretty to look at and icy at times, but with a little sunshine, that iciness melts. Together, we are like a partly cloudy day. We have our moments of darkness and gloom, but the sun always peeks through. Here are a couple other examples. Sadness. As bleak as the sky when it's cloudy and gray, as rough as the sea on a windy day. Do you see all these similes? This is me after taco day, as stinky as the smell of an angry skunk. And here's that same one that was on the last slide before for you to go through again if you'd like to. But similes, comparisons using like or as. These are good ones to work with when using your senses: touch, feel, smell, taste. Your job for me today, try to write a simile poem. It can be any length whatsoever. It can be short, can be long. These are fun to do. Time to get busy, a beaver. Get it? Yeah, I know you do. Yes. And yeah, have a great day.